Explain the concepts of project leadership, life cycle of project teams. The life cycle of project teams reflects the natural progression that groups undergo from formation to completion. According to Tuckman's model, project teams typically evolve through 5 key stages: forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. In the forming stage, members are introduced and begin to understand project objectives, though uncertainty and dependence on leadership are high. The storming stage brings tension as personalities, roles, and opinions clash, requiring the project leader to manage conflict constructively and build trust. During norming, the team starts to establish shared values, clear communication, and mutual respect, which fosters stronger cooperation. By the performing stage, the group becomes a cohesive unit focused on results, capable of making decisions and solving problems collaboratively. Finally, the adjourning stage occurs when the project concludes, and members disband after reviewing outcomes and lessons learned. This structured evolution helps leaders anticipate behavioral dynamics and guide their teams effectively through each transition. The project leader's role is critical at every stage of the team life cycle. During forming, effective leaders clarify objectives, define roles, and set expectations to provide stability. As the team moves into storming, leadership must focus on conflict resolution, active listening, and emotional intelligence to prevent divisions that hinder progress. In norming, the leader reinforces collaboration by encouraging participation, delegating responsibility, and establishing a feedback culture. During performing, the leader becomes more of a facilitator, ensuring that processes run smoothly and that team autonomy is respected. At adjourning, recognition and reflection are vital. Acknowledging individual and collective achievements builds morale and supports future teamwork. The project leader must adapt leadership styles, from directive early on to participative and supportive later, to maintain momentum and motivation. This adaptive approach ensures the team remains focused, efficient, and resilient across each life cycle stage. Understanding the life cycle of project teams allows project leaders to apply appropriate leadership theories and motivational strategies. Models such as Adair's action-centered leadership emphasize balancing task, team, and individual needs throughout the project. For instance, in the early stages, the leader must focus on task clarity and relationship building, while later stages demand empowerment, problem-solving, and innovation. Leaders may also draw on situational or contingency theories, adjusting their approach based on the team's maturity, complexity of the project, and external pressures. A high-performing project team exhibits trust, accountability, and shared purpose, often achieved through deliberate team building and transparent communication. By managing transitions smoothly between stages, leaders can minimize disruptions and maintain productivity. Ultimately, the ability to recognize and influence the team's developmental phase enables project leaders to transform a group of individuals into a cohesive unit capable of achieving exceptional project outcomes within time, cost, and quality constraints.